In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have Outlook talking to your Monday board so emails and updates flow automatically, saving you manual work. First, open Monday.com and go to the project board where you want the integration to live. Integrations in Monday are board specific, so make sure you're on the right board and that you have permission to add integrations there. If your team restricts who can install apps, you might need an admin to follow along or approve access. With your board open, look toward the top of the screen and click Integrate. That opens the Integration Center for this board. This is the hub that connects your board to other tools. In the search bar at the top of the Integration Center, type Outlook. You're looking for the Microsoft Outlook option that's part of Microsoft 365. Typing the name helps you jump straight to the right app without scrolling through the whole catalog. Click the Outlook tile to open a list of ready-made automation recipes. Monday.com uses these recipes to define what triggers an action and what should happen next. Take a moment here to scan through the available Outlook functions. You'll see options along the lines of creating or updating items from incoming emails, or sending an email when something changes on the board, like when a status moves to done. Read the short descriptions carefully so you pick the function that best matches your workflow. Once you've identified the function you want, click it to start setting it up. Monday will now guide you through any required fields for this specific recipe, such as which board and group to use, which column should store an email address, or what text to include in a subject line. You don't need to overthink this yet. You can come back and tweak these settings later. Next, click Connect. This begins the secure authorization that lets Monday.com talk to Outlook on your behalf. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the sign-in window can appear. Some organizations require an admin approval at this stage. If you see that prompt, follow your normal approval process. In the Microsoft sign-in window, enter your Microsoft account to proceed, then continue to the next screen to complete sign-in. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, finish that step as usual. You may also be asked to grant permissions, so Monday.com can read and send mail as defined by the recipe. Review the list and accept to continue. After you finish signing in, you'll be routed back to your Monday board, right where you left off, and Outlook will show as connected for this recipe. Wrap up any remaining fields the recipe asks for, review your choices, and save. Keep an eye out for a toggle or confirmation that the integration is active. From here, you can start using the newly integrated Outlook function directly in your project. For example, if the recipe sends an email when a status changes, move an item through that status to see it in action. If it creates items from messages, send a test email that matches your trigger. If something doesn't look right, open the Integrations panel on the same board to edit the recipe settings, update which columns are mapped, or disconnect and reconnect the account. That's it. Your Monday.com board is now connected to Microsoft Outlook, helping your team move faster with fewer manual steps.